Hey, are you looking for a new side hustle, one that pays you free PayPal money? Do you have a computer, a tablet, or a mobile phone? Well, why not get paid to test websites and apps? Long as you live somewhere on planet Earth, you could be making $5, $10, $15, $20, or even $90 free PayPal money for less than 10 minutes of work. And there's no catch, no gimmicks, just interact with a web or mobile app, answer a few questions, follow the instructions, and bingo, get paid that same day. It's as easy PayPal money that you can make in your free time, and all you'll be doing is completing a series of tasks and instructions while interacting with prototype or production websites or mobile apps, or viewing video commercials or other digital user interfaces while speaking out loud your thoughts, emotions, criticisms, and suggestions while answering questions. Make $5, $10, $15, $20, or even $90. So if you're having a bad day, just say, hey, this website sucks, give me another one. You're still getting paid. So basically now you are responsible for the future of the internet. You can make it good, you can make it bad. You're getting paid no matter what. So if the internet sucks in the future, it's gonna be your fault, but you're not gonna care because you're gonna have a lot of money sitting in that PayPal account. You're gonna be happy. You can make this money from your computer or your smartphone. So yes, if you're sitting in a doctor's office, you can make this money on your phone. If you're sitting on the train, you can make this money from your phone. All you need is the camera function and the microphone function. And if you have a computer or a smartphone, you already have that. You will not need to download any additional software to make all this free PayPal money. And yes, the team here at Online Moneymaker tested this out for you over the weekend. We had some beers in the office. We spent about an hour on the site and we came up with about $222 for about an hour of work, drinking beers, testing websites. It was actually fun. This works. We made $90 right off the bat. We were asked to go to Etsy.com, type in woman's green shirt in the search bar, and we took a screenshot of the results, submitted that, and we were paid $90 right into our PayPal account. We couldn't believe how easy this is or how good it worked. So now we're pretty stoked sitting there in the office, the beer's flowing pretty heavy, and next we were asked to review Facebook.com, and I said, Mark Zuckerberg, something tells me you're an alien. Something does not look right about you. You've got a look in your eyes that I don't trust, so therefore I do not trust Facebook. We got paid $20 for that. And then I said, hey, Mark Zuckerberg, you want to be cool? You want to get a little more cool in your life? Then you need to subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Subscribe to the channel right now. That's what all of you sitting at home should do. Like the video, subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of this bomb content that we produce every single day that's helping people just like you make money from home, make money online, and better their lives in general. What do you have to lose? Hit the subscribe button, baby. Okay, the website that's going to be paying us today is called Userlytics.com, so just go over to Userlytics.com. You can read more about what they do here, but that's not really going to concern us. Let's scroll all the way to the bottom, and you want to click right here where it says be paid to participate. And here is where you can start reading. This is the stuff that concerns us. We want to get paid to test apps and websites. So they'll give you all the information that you need. But when you are ready to sign up, you'll just hit this button right here that says sign up now. And as you can see, they'll pay you right into your PayPal account depending on the task and how long it takes, anywhere from $5, $10, $15, $20 or $90. Yes, we made $90 testing out the Etsy website. It only took us 20 minutes to do that. We made $90 pretty quick. So as you can see, you only have to be 16 years of age to do this. So teenagers, students, what's up? The future of the web. Test these websites, make some money. So just start by entering your email address. Make sure it's a working email address because they will ask you to verify that. Once you go to verify your email address, if you don't see the Userlytics email in your regular inbox, check your spam folder, it could be there. Once you click the link to verify, you'll be brought to this page where you fill in the basic information. You've done this before: first name, last name, the country you live in, your date of birth. This one's important right here, your PayPal email address. Make sure you don't get that one wrong, unless you want to put mine in there. I'll make the money for you, I got no problem with that. Your gender, your password, repeat that password, and push submit. Once you've completed all that information, you'll just be asked to log in and you're ready to go. And then this is what your dashboard will look like. Now, the very first thing you want to do, and this is where you need to pay attention to me, you want to qualify for more tests. You want to push this green button and you want to answer some questions that lets these website operators, these app operators know a little more about you. So hit that. Here, you'll just fill out a little more information about yourself. Everything on the left-hand side here should already pretty much be there. Except for your spoken language. Okay, so I'm going to put English right there, English. Over here on the right hand side, this is where they want to know what kind of devices you have. Okay, so just fill out what kind of phone you have, what kind of tablet you have, here, this one's important, social network. Okay, you have to put at least Facebook there, trust me, because Facebook loves to send out tests. So even if you don't have a Facebook page, just go start one up right now. It takes 30 seconds. You don't even need to have any friends. Don't worry about that. Okay, your operating system, good. Now, here's another one that's important. I suggest you push Google Chrome, okay? If you don't have Google Chrome, you can use Safari, but if you feel like it, download Google Chrome to your computer and do that, okay? Oops, not Firefox, come on, man. Chrome, there we go. Your education, okay? You are a college graduate, okay? Don't put anything less than that. So undergraduate degree. If you have a higher degree than that, go ahead and put it. It's only gonna help you, but do not put that you are not a college graduate. They're not gonna check, don't worry about it. Okay, your currency, okay? US dollar for me, dollar bill. Approximate household income. Tell me you make a lot of money, okay? I would go 100,000 to 124,000. Again, they're not going to be checking your bank. Don't worry about it. Here's another very important one: occupation. You are a self-employed business owner, okay? These companies that want to test their sites out, they trust self-employed business owners more than like your average like guy that works at a fast food restaurant, okay? Don't worry about it. They're not going to check on that either. Family status, just put whatever you want, okay? Mother tongue, that sounds like a band, mother tongue. Children, you can just leave that blank if you want. Religion, I think you can leave this blank. Yeah, I prefer not to say. There you go. That's what we're going to do there. Web expertise, another very important one, okay? You're advanced, okay? You are advanced. Ethnicity, I don't think it matters either, but I'm a Caucasian. Employment status, okay? This is basically like what they asked earlier here. Self-employed, trying to trick us here. Industry, okay? Something technical, something like computer related. Just scroll down here and click internet like that. Good, okay? Job, function, role. Go ahead and put, let's see, we're going to put here marketing. There you go, marketing. See, internet and marketing, they cover a wide range of possible skills, you know what I'm saying? Seniority, you are the owner. Boom, owner. Company size, not available. Leave that as not available, okay? Once you've completed all that, then what you want to do, just let it sit for about an hour, log back in, go to your dashboard, and you should see your first test waiting for you there so you can start making money. Your next step, if you haven't done so already, is to subscribe to Online Moneymakers. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. This is Online Moneymaker, baby.